Hey there everyone, welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be taking apart my personal phone that I actually currently use. It still works and everything. I'm going to take it apart, just for fun. Hopefully not crack it or blow it up like other videos. Lucky for me, I dropped it one time, so there's a piece of the bottom of it up a bit, so it's easier to get into it. Yeah, so let's get into it. Alright, so I'm going to start by taking off the bottom cover, as always. Mine's easy, I can just lift it up and peel it off, just like that. It's a Nokia, of course, indestructible. Except the Nokia logo's kind of peeling off, if you guys can see it. The I and the K have mostly peeled off. So I have to unscrew all these screws around here. First, so I'll just do that now. Oh yeah, guys, I just remembered something. I should probably turn it off first before taking it apart. I probably don't want to take it apart while it's still turned on. That would be quite stupid. Alright, well I've unscrewed all these, now I need to take this part out, which is here, side bit. Oh yeah, of course, SD card tray again. Always forget, always need to remember. Alright, so I managed to get the case off with some difficulty. Or the side, yeah, the case bit of it. I got fingerprint scanner button here, don't know how it works. I would love to know, but I don't. Some connection bits around the place, I'll just put that over there. Got probably CPU here, cameras. I'm going to take this camera off now. That over there. Can also take these two off. So now disconnect the battery. Obviously. Disconnect that and disconnect that. That looks like everything. So now I'll go more into it. Alright, well it looks like there's only one screw. For some reason, so maybe it can come out now if I can get it up. Oh, and also take off this bit too. This is the magnet here, probably. You can take off this bit and this bit. That should be all those. So now we should be able to take out the motherboards. There's one part of it off. That has the charger, USB-C, and nothing else. And we can try and take off the top one as well. Oh, we can also take out this big camera as well. I'm really surprised that there isn't a screw on the top one. There probably should be. Alright, well there's this motherboard off. got the SD card tray. It can take 2 SIMs, so they're not lying to us like other ones. Yeah, got the aux, something here, probably CPU, storage, nothing else. We'll put that over there. I don't think I want to try taking out the battery to my phone, because I want it to survive, because I use it. Yeah, well, that's probably it then. We'll take apart this Nokia G21. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and comment if you'd like to see something specific taken apart, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, my friend.